Hello everyone, we are discussing the fifth chapter of biology of ninth class, that is natural resources. We know that life is possible on the planet Earth because of different type of natural resources, in which the main natural resources are air, land and water. So the land containing part of the earth is known as lithosphere, water containing part of the earth is called hydrosphere, and the air containing part of the earth is called atmosphere. So biosphere is the combination of these three spheres that combines and interacts and make the life possible. So let's begin our discussion. We are discussing natural resources in which we will talk about lithosphere. Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So the outer surface of earth crust is called lithosphere. Outer surface of earth crust is called lithosphere. It is the land part of the earth, and almost 75% of earth's surface is covered by water, so that part is known as hydrosphere. Water covers 75% of earth's surface, and that is known as hydrosphere. So this is the water part of the earth. Water part of the earth is called, land part of earth is called lithosphere, while water part of the earth is called hydrosphere, and now the air part of the earth is called atmosphere. This atmosphere covers the whole planet. Air, that is the combination of gases, covers the whole earth like a blanket. And thus this airy part of the earth is called atmosphere. And all these spheres combines, interacts and make life possible on the earth. So the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere constitutes biosphere. So biosphere is the life supporting zone of the earth in which different spheres, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere combines and interacts and make life possible. So let us see the definition of biosphere. It is the life supporting zone of the earth where lithosphere, different spheres like lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere interacts and make life possible. Now moving ahead, we have components of biosphere. Biosphere contains biotic and abiotic components. So components of biosphere are there are two types of components of biosphere, and they are biotic and abiotic components. Biotic and abiotic components. So biotic components includes all living things. It includes all living organisms. Example are plant, animals, insects, microbes, and any life forms includes biotic components, while abiotic components, in this abiotic components, all the non-living things are present. So it includes non-living things. Example are air, water, light, soil, etc. are the example of abiotic components. So biosphere is the combination of three spheres like litho, hydro and atmosphere, and it contains biotic and abiotic components that includes living beings, living organisms and non-living things. अब देख लेते हैं कि लिथोस्फीयर क्या है. आउटर सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ क्रस्ट. अर्थ का जो आउटर सरफेस है जो कि लैंड वाला हिस्सा है वो लिथोस्फीयर कहलाता है, जबकि हाइड्रोस्फीयर वाटर कवर 75%. अर्थ सरफेस का जितना सरफेस है उसमें 75% वाटर ने कवर किया हुआ है, और इस वाटरी पार्ट को क्या कह देते हैं, हाइड्रोस्फीयर. ठीक है. एटमॉस्फेयर एयर ने कवर किया हुआ होल अर्थ को ब्लैंकेट के रूप में, और इस एयरी पार्ट ऑफ अर्थ को एटमॉस्फेयर कहते हैं. इन तीनों स्फीयर के मिलने से बायोस्फीयर का निर्माण होता है, और बायोस्फीयर के दो कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, बायोटिक और एबायोटिक. ठीक है. बायोस्फीयर का ये मतलब नहीं है कि यहाँ सिर्फ लिविंग पाए जाएंगे. यहाँ बायोस्फीयर जो है वो उसमें दोनों कंपोनेंट्स बायोटिक और एबायोटिक दोनों. नाम एज द नेम सजेस्ट, बायोटिक मीन्स लिविंग, तो इसमें सारे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म पाए जाएंगे, जबकि एबायोटिक भी कंपोनेंट्स है बायोस्फीयर का जिसमें सारे नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स पाए जाएंगे, जैसे एयर, वाटर, लाइट, सॉइल etc. So this is all about the biosphere and their components. See you in the next episode. Goodbye. Thank you.